Hi traders, it's Eddie here from TradeView and welcome to Trading Talk episode number 197. In today's episode, Matt continues with the evolution of the recent model from the episode Averaging In with a Twist. While a creative entry was created in that previous episode, the next step is adding trade management and an exit, which he's going to show you in this video. Now, we're only halfway through the year and we've sold much more than half the tickets to this year's Algo trading conference. So what that means for you is that if you don't already have a ticket, you need to get one ASAP before we sell out. And we only have limited space this year, especially with the social distancing measures in place. At the conference, you're going to see world trading champion Stefano Serafini, leading technical analyst Trevor Neal of Bloomberg fame, and pioneer of algo trading Perry Kaufman. That's a lineup you don't want to miss out on. Now, if you'd like to see the full episode 197 that we showed today and build the model that we build, just purchase the series by clicking the Learn More button on the top left of this page or in the YouTube description if you're watching this video on YouTube. And if you enjoy our videos, make sure you like and subscribe to our YouTube channel so you can get more of what you want to see. I really hope you enjoyed this week's episode of Trading Talk, and until next week, all the best with your trading.